Welcome to part 2 of the Tips for Passing the PMP Exam video series. If you have not watched part 1 of this series, click the link found in the description below. Okay, let us now talk about tool number 2, time management. Time is a perishable precious resource which cannot be saved or replaced. In fact, time is inelastic, and there are only 24 hours in a day, and yesterday is gone forever and will never come back. And yet, without managing time effectively, we could hardly manage achieving any worthy goals in life, including clearing the PMP designation. Life is full of responsibilities, and as a result, we juggle many competing personal and professional priorities on a daily basis. Attaining the PMP designation requires a considerable amount of time. And because we lead a busy life tending to our personal and professional responsibilities, and the PMP requires a big chunk of our time, it is important that we manage our time effectively. The question that begs itself here is, where do I start? You start by reclaiming much of your time. Let me repeat. You start by reclaiming much of your time. And here's how, in 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Take an inventory of where your time is being spent, at least 3 times a year for 3 weeks at a time. This will help you identify the activities that you perform daily. Step number 2. Apply the following question to each activity you generated in step 1. What will happen if I stop performing this activity altogether? And if the answer is nothing, cross out the activity and never perform it again. Step number 3. Examine the remaining activities on your inventory list by applying the following question. Who can perform this activity on my behalf? And delegate every activity you can. According to research, at the end of this exercise, you'll have reclaimed approximately 30 to 35% of your time. And you can use that time to study the PMP material without compromising your important personal and professional goals. In the next video, I'll cover the last tool. If you find the content of this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video.